pase tan lento porque está como hay dos. Mira, le da vuelta a la gente.
Sí, 70 pesos. Ah, mira, él le da.
That's not your wand. That's not your wand. Kayla, this is your wand right here. This is your wands, magic wands. Perfect. Is that your wand hand? Good. Now, Alan, you're gonna make a cool, fun cake for us. This is what we're gonna do, okay? We're gonna make a cake. These are the ingredients, okay? Here are our
Los pulpitos. Mira que le está dormindo.
Ay, mira, eso como una Star. Eso está como una Star que me gusta.
Oh, mira, para buscar gente. La piedra. Mira, me espantan. Mira. Que ellos te traen a... Porque le están haciendo así a la cara. Mira, tenemos una iglesia. Esto porque lo más seguro. ¡Mira, Luca!
Esto de noche lo hacen.
Ay, mira, Ana, este aquí.
Aquí hacen Horror Night. Porque se ve.
Mira las cajas de... No, yo creo que él te
Te
baja.
baja, te quedas un rato aquí y recoges. Y él te recoge dinero. Me emociona. Esta está linda. Mira, esta está bien linda. No, esa no. Ok. Y esta. Mira esta, qué linda. No. Esta está bien linda. Mira, Luca. ¡Ay, qué linda! Mira esta, Luca.
La palabra favorita.
Mira, ahí se abrió esto.
Mírala ahí.
Ay, qué linda está esa.
Ahora para mí.
Vente, Luca. Suave.
I don't like Chelsea pumpkin.
Ya Mayra cogió.
Tienes que coger una pumpkin. Coge una. Grande, pequeña, mira. Ana, mira.
No la tire, no.
Porque se parte, Ana.
Sí, pero no hace tirar.
No la tire.
Mira, Ana, qué linda esa, mira.
Una paluca.
Mira, vente, vamos a tomarnos fotos aquí. Vente, Ana.
Mira, para tirarse fotos.
Ana, siéntate aquí en las sillas más preciosas de la vida.
Vente, Luca, aquí. Mira. Mira, cheese. Aquí. Cheese.
Hannah, look. Oh, how awesome. I love it. This, I love. You wash your hands. You wash your hands over there. You wash your hands over there.
Después te lavas la mano. No, porque eso me lo lleva. Lucas, no. Mira, no, hizo como la vaca. Ya, ya. Ok, bien. Vamos, no hay más nada por ahí. Vale. Miremos, vamos, mótate. Mótate. Espérate, espérate.
I will come to you. Voy a calentar el poquito, no me mires.
Bien.
Los ricos que son comérselo. Ellos, los ricos que son comérselo más.
Dale, Ana, para acá, mira.
Dale, Ana, para allá. Busca a Luca, a ver si se va. Ahí va, ahí va, ahí va. Para aguantar el hambre.
Mami, Eso, papi. Otra vez, arriba, arriba.
Otra vez, otra vez. Arriba, arriba. Yogi, arriba, Yogi, arriba.
Cabecita arriba.
Cabecita arriba, Yogi, cabecita arriba.
¿Tú estás llorando?
Gotea para acá, gotea para acá. Así que le dice la gotea para acá.
¿Tú estás llorando?
Luca.
Y las hermanas, las gordas, ¿tú no las ves?
No. Luca, Luca. Okay, go, go, you go. Climb upstairs.
Yes, that's right. We're going to
Wait, wait, wait.
Mira, dale una bola a Ana, tú.
La nena.
Ay, pues.
¡Ah, eso está muy alto! Vamos a quitarnos.
Yo buscando.
Ay, dude.
Buena, Ana. Mira para allá, vamos acá por la huevo.
Casi. No lo hice.
Sí, lo hiciste. Sí.
No, mira eso, pig.
What can happen here? What can happen? Tell you
So-
what. Yeah.
So, when you go aquí, when you go all the way over there, you can't even come back here. You will be missing ahí.
Okay, what can happen in there? What can happen in
You will
there?
be missing forever.
Forever? Do you think so?
I I'm glad I'm doing it right.
Okay,
Okay.
let's do it. Let's do it. You want to go first?
Dale.
Do you want I could be missing? I would try.
Okay, we try.
Okay.
Somebody just got missing.
Okay, let's try.
His name is like
Te seguimos.
His name is Charlotte.
Charles? Who's Charles?
So she's with
He was missing right here? Oh my God, Charlie missing right here. Charlie was missing right here.
O para acá.
Who was missing?
Charlie.
Charlie?
So
Okay.
she go with them, but her parents is
Okay, which way would
La barriguita para adentro. Estírate. Bien.
Charlie went over there?
Yeah, but her family is right there.
Okay.
So that's why house. So that's why when she got missing, right?
You see this? Mira, you see this? What is that? Corn.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Okay, where?
so parents is looking for over there,
Okay.
and then Charlie just look over there. But when she got here, her family is not right.
Okay, let's go this way. Did you want a corn?
No.
We can see this is a corn. This is a corn field.
No la puedes coger, Maya.
Aquí estamos viendo.
Todo.
And she find this cellular.
Okay. Now which way we going?
I gotta be.
Charlie didn't go
Hi.
over there. Charlie didn't go over there. And her parents didn't go.
Okay, so it's this way. Okay.
I know.
We're gonna follow you to the end of this.
¿Para dónde?
Okay, ahora we have 3 ways to go. We can go left, we can go right, or we can go straight. Which one we want to go?
So her dad is right there, and her mom is right there. Her dad and her mom was missing, and Charlie just go over there. But she saw her dad first, but not her mom.
No, her mom. So we go straight. So what? Okay. Ella tiene una historia.
Okay, I go this way. This way.
Well,
I go the other way.
okay, which way now?
So her mom is right there, and Charlotte and her dad was right there.
Okay.
And her mom just got back here, and they go right straight right there, but her mom didn't even see her daughter.
Okay,
He only see her husband.
Oh, her
Not her
husband, not her daughter. If we go that way, we only see the husband, not the daughter. So this way we can see the daughter.
But now the family just fight them. They fight her daughter, so
Oh, they find the daughter. So
Okay, ya la encontraron. Sigue.
okay, seguimos.
her daughter just
Dale.
go right here. So her daughter can't go over there, but daughter go over here.
Okay.
Ya, ya.
She go over there.
Okay.
Vamos a perder. Se perdieron. Ana, se perdieron. Los papás se perdieron. Hay que buscarlos.
Ella está ahí.
¿A dónde?
Ahí.
Ah,
So Charlotte just go over there, and her daddy and mom just saw her, and they go right over there. But that is not her daddy. That wasn't her. She had
Por acá.
Nope.
Por aquí.
¿qué?
No. I just got wrong way. This was right there.
Oh, it's
I just
wrong
got
way.
wrong way, right? I did this right.
Dale, métete sin
¡Ay, ya!
Ella tiene su historia. En la historia de Ana y los maizales. ¡Ay, Dios mío!
So